Hello people of YouTube, it's R722 again. Today I'm going to do another review as normal. I'm probably going to do about 2 videos per week. It'll be the review and then it'll be the update, and there might be a couple of reviews in the week. I have no idea at this moment of time. Today we're going to do Transformers Hunt for the Decepticons. Hailstorm. Oh my camera starts fucking playing up with it. There's Hailstorm. He's supposed to be a missile truck. Yeah, he just roll. The main colours on this are white, green, black, red, gold, and silver, and a hint of yellow. This can go 360 degrees. This. And these are push missiles that basically push them. I'm not going to do it because it's a bit stupid. I'm not going to do it. And there's clip-on points here, but the only figure I have clip-on... Actually, there's only 2 figures I have that have clip-on points. That's Jazz and Sandstorm. Not G1 Sandstorm, no. The undercarriage, all you can see is visible head syndrome. And then his arms and feet. Let's get on to transformation. First, what you're going to do is lift this up. You'll disconnect the cockpit bit away from the treads. They pull these out, and they should just snap. You should feel it snapping in. Again, up to the side, pull it fully out, grab the treads and fold them in, and there's a tab here, hole in there, like that, and then you, so at the moment, basically I've got my head against a bar or plank. Next you clip the waist in. You rotate this back, you push the head through, you fold these up, and then you just line it up with the body, and it should just click in. Fold the head down like that, rotate the arms. And this is how I show it on the shelf. Like that. But basically, if you want it fully transformed, you open this back piece, you fold these up, close the panel, open these up. So open these up, and there's little holes in the bottom here. There's a couple of tabs. So I'm just trying to hook it on. And that's what it would look like. There is a repaint of this. It's called Mindset. That might be the next review actually. Or next Tuesday. Basically, there he is. Hailstorm. It's a nice figure. Main colours are, in this mode, is grey, black, gold, Yeah, red, black, gold, white, and green in this one. These other version is, I think, blue, gold, silver, and black. And I think it's a great figure if you want like military types figures. But anyway, here is Hailstorm. Let's do 360. Yeah, he has plastic wheels in his treads. But anyway, I know this was a bit of a quick review. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you for another review or update or gaming review. See you. Bye.